Introduce highlight features or overview summary for EXCEEDY Portable Sauna for Home, Full Body Personal Sauna Box, Home Sauna Tent Steam Sauna. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Keep healthy and relaxed. With our portable sauna, you can get a lot of health benefits. For example, the sauna box can improve your sleep quality, strengthen your body, beauty, detoxify, improve blood circulation. Lose weight and shape body. You can relax yourself in our home sauna when you feel fatigue, which is the ideal way to relieve stress and keep relaxed. The full body portable steam sauna allows you to enjoy home spa without leaving home. 1000 watt with 4 liters steamer. Designed with high capacity, the water capacity of the steamer can reach 4 liter, so you can enjoy longer sauna. The steamer is made of premium 304 stainless steel, ensuring rust resistance. The steamer has a power of 1000 watt, it can reach the maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius in just 10 minutes. The dry sauna can quickly generate steam within 8 minutes and shorten the preheating time. Compared with other saunas, our steam saunas for home achieve power saving to some extent. Extra large portable sauna tent. This upgraded portable sauna for home measures 35 x 35 x 71 inch, which is suitable for adult of all heights and give you more comfortable sauna experience. Besides, you can sit comfortably on the 250 kg load-bearing folding chair we provided for effortless stretching. The double-side zipper design of saunas makes it easy to install and remove, and the 2 removable transparent windows provide you with a bright view and fresh air when you are in the steam room. 9-level heating and 120 minutes timer. With the 4-liter high-capacity sauna steamer, featuring 9 temperature settings, 120 minutes timer. The convenient remote control allows you to adjust temperature and timer settings without having to leave the home sauna, letting you enjoy a convenient and comfortable sauna experience. You can put essential oil, sachet and other materials in the outlet box of steamer for better sauna effect. Unique convenient design. Interior and exterior pockets store your items conveniently. More importantly, we specially design a waterproof storage pocket so that you can storage your phone or tablet when you are in steam saunas for home. Besides, the exterior hook of sauna box is designed for hanging towels or other things. Removability makes you put it in the bathroom, bedroom, living room, garage, garden, and gyms. With this portable home sauna, you can have a sauna at anywhere anytime. Safe and durable. The personal sauna is made of high-density, 4-layer waterproof insulation material, which has excellent heat preservation and durability. The poles used in sauna tent are made of food-grade UPVC material, which provides a solid support. The professional steamer provides dry boil prevention, earth leakage protection and explosion-proof protection, giving you automatic power-off protection when the water level is low. Dual safeguards ensure your safety. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.